This is why you need a safety plan, Istanbul. When an earthquake hits, drop cover and hold on. Stay indoors away from windows and heavy objects. If outside, head to an open area, avoiding buildings and trees. Know your nearest safe zones and evacuation routes. Parks and plazas are your best bet. After the quake, check for injuries, inspect for damage, and listen to emergency broadcasts. Be prepared for aftershocks. Always have an emergency kit ready with essentials like water, food, and first aid supplies. Stay informed and participate in community drills. Stay safe, Istanbul.